In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file for RDR2. Check my video description for this save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the save file. Now press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Go back to app data. Open this roaming folder 1911 RDR2 profile and just drag and drop this profile to desktop to take backup of a game progress. Now go back, drag and drop this profile in this location. Change this profile, change this to profile, and now close tab here and launch the game. And now we successfully loads the 100% save. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.